So we just got back from the honeymoon. Now it's time to crack her open, you know what I'm saying? She in the house, baby. You see that? Ooh, she thick. Ooh, she got a little half to her. I wasn't expecting that all day. You know, I wasn't expecting you to be this nice. Yeah, I'm bumming it up on the floor right now. I needed something to unbox, to unveil the magnificent, the beautiful, the sexy, the downright contagious Espa. Hold on, let me. You know what? I'll be right back. Let me crack her open. She got these little tabs on the side. She gotta play. She try to play hard to get, but deep down, we all know she easy. Two tabs at the bottom. Mama always told me I ate my food too fast. Told me to slow down. I say, screw all that noise. Look at that beauty. Ooh, I was hoping it wasn't no brick up in here. But I did get a log. That presentation is beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Look at that presentation. I'm on the floor, so I'm scooting around. Anyways, let me get to her. Ooh, heavy. Okay, this is the bottom. Hey, y'all done seen this before. I'm not gonna go through all that. Got the pull tab. I set up the controller. Got that new controller. I done seen this way too many times. Let me get this box out of here. Small refinements, but nice, still light. Definitely gonna still be using my original Elite controller because it feels good in the hand. It got that weight feel to it. I might upgrade to the Elite series, but right now this ain't bad either. Now they all the controllers, which I didn't know, all the controllers get the the update for the latency. So you can still use your old controllers, you can still use your Elite controllers. So just to keep in mind there. HDMI 2.0 ultra high speed certified. The adapter. I'm done talking. Y'all don't need to see this. Y'all seen this already. Get that skirt off. Look at that beauty. Next generation, baby. Y'all see the wobble? Oh, girl. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna put this thing, but that's all you need to know. Come with the accessories. Make sure you ain't got no brick in yours. But it's time for me to turn around. I ain't even finna hold you. Ain't nobody got time for all this. All right, I'm back. So basically, after I got her undressed, we just went ahead and got her all connected. The app is probably the easiest thing. Just go download the Xbox app, and that'll be able to you know change all your settings over. It moves everything over. It has all your presets before. Really, it's a lot of, if you have an Xbox now, it's a lot of doing the work before. So what I was doing was moved all my games to my SSD and my hard drive, made sure that everything was updated because you don't want to waste your time trying to update stuff that doesn't need to be updated when you could have done it before the Series X. So you want to make sure you just have everything updated. You want to make sure you have everything moved over, nothing on your previous Xbox if you're going to be just plugging it in and playing. That's the easiest to speed up that process. It's a very small update for the Series X as soon as you turn it on. It's about 300 or I think it's like 700 megabytes or so. Once you complete that, it's really what you want to play. But then comes the whole point of, upgrading those files to Series X files. So now you have to actually wait for that to finish. So now you're just playing the waiting game. And that's why I'm sitting here recording this, because I'm literally waiting for the Gears 5 and I'm literally waiting for Watch Dogs Legion to finish their updates so I can get in there and see what those new features are all about. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to be definitely doing a lot of videos upcoming, a lot of videos just showing off the Vizio OLED running these games, because a lot of people want to see that. I know it was on sale yesterday and it was only $900. That's the best price I've ever seen for OLED, and this is a great television. So I'm going to showcase that. Hopefully you guys picked it up yesterday, because I think it's off sale now. But yeah, I'm going to be showcasing a lot of that as well. But overall, it's already nice. It's fast. It's quick. It's speedy. I'm just ready to play some games now. But again, if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.